To bridge assets on Rabby Wallet, you need to use integrated third-party services that allow you to transfer cryptocurrencies between different blockchains. Here's how you can do it. Open Rabby Wallet. Launch the Rabby Wallet app or extension and ensure you're logged into your wallet. Fund your wallet. Make sure you have enough funds in the source blockchain to cover transaction fees. Access the bridge service. Go to the app browser or discover section in Rabby Wallet. Search for supported bridging services such as multi-chain, Seller C Bridge or Portal Bridge. Select source and destination chains. In the bridge service, choose the source blockchain and the destination blockchain. Select the token you wish to bridge. Connect Rabby Wallet. Click Connect Wallet on the bridge interface, choose Rabby Wallet and approve the connection. Enter bridging details. Specify the amount of tokens you want to bridge. Review the fees and transaction details carefully. Confirm the transaction. Confirm the transaction in Rabby Wallet. You may need to approve the gas fee. Complete and receive tokens. Wait for the bridging process to complete. The transferred tokens will appear in your wallet on the destination blockchain.